Are you ready to unbox the magic squishy dumpling boxes today? Inside could be a luxury mansion, a rainbow water park, a lava ride, or a beautiful golden collection. Welcome to Titan Quiz! In this video, one tap decides your journey. You'll make 40 choices, and you have just 8 seconds in every round. Subscribe to join the challenge, and let's start unboxing. Which dumpling would you pick to lock in your new home? Wow! Pom Pom Purin's place is so cozy! Definitely a top-tier pick. Choose your favorite teacher. If you choose Pink Panther, you'd better hit mark for enough luck to survive the school year. Pick your gaming gear. Time for a snack. Which burger do you want? Don't pick the blue moldy burger. That is absolutely disgusting. Memory test. How many Sonic burgers did you see? If you guessed 6, you're a genius! Subscribe if you got it right. Pick a backpack for school. Which car is yours? Oh no, the frozen one? That thing is completely useless now. Choose a spot to rest. The Hello Kitty massage chair looks unbelievably comfortable. What's for lunch? Oh no! You got the Mickey Spicy Lava Lunch! Your mouth is going to burn! Don't take your eyes off the SpongeBob sandwich. Which lunchbox is it hiding in? There it is! Did you get fooled? Comment me below if you guessed correctly. Which sofa is yours? Oh no! If you got the Stitch sofa, it looks really messy. Time for a dip. Which jacuzzi are you choosing? The Rainbow Sherbet Hot Tub is such a sweet choice. Let's go to the water park. Which chair are you swinging in? Quick reflex test. Pause the video to stop the swing chair in the perfect spot. How many times did you try before you succeeded? Which notebook are you writing in? The Princess Peach notebook looks so elegant, perfect for taking notes. Which keychain goes on your bag? Oh no! Gary's shell is completely shattered. Pick a case to protect your phone. You wrapped your phone in pink paper? Have fun when it drops! Ha ha ha! Which toilet paper roll are you choosing? The cotton candy paper looks unbelievably soft. I love it! Jackpot time! Try to land on the rainbow toilet. Go! What did you land on? Comment champion if you hit the rainbow toilet on your first try. Where is your pet sleeping? The igloo looks perfectly safe and snug for a little pet. Make your morning coffee. The rainbow coffee maker looks incredible, but that frozen block full of trash is absolutely vile. Pick the perfect toilet for your mansion. The royal gold toilet is pure luxury. You're living like a king. Which door will you open today? Step through the adorable rainbow door for the ultimate surprise. Look closely at these two houses and spot the 3 hidden differences. Here they are! Subscribe to prove your high IQ. Time to light up your bedroom. Choose a couch for your living room. The lava pomegranate couch looks incredibly powerful. Boss level. Let's jump into your new bounce house. You chose Baskin Robbins? It's literally melting into a puddle. Time for some delicious ice cream. The ocean wave cone looks unbelievably refreshing on a hot day. Only 1% can find the odd ice cream out. Did you spot the odd one? Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's build your dream gaming room. The crumble cookie room? It's completely abandoned and covered in dust. Pick a fun indoor slide for your house. Choose your favorite soap dispenser. Ew, you used the blue fish dispenser? Now your hands smell like rotten seafood. You picked the golden camera house? Have fun clearing all those vines before you can even relax. Challenge time! Stop the video at the right moment to complete the jigsaw puzzle. Did you solve it? Smash that like button if your timing was flawless. Lock in your favorite gate. Oh no! The cinema roll gate is frozen shut! You're trapped outside in the freezing cold! Pick a sink to wash your face. Ew, the rainbow paint bucket sink is a sticky disaster! Now your hands are completely covered in paint! Which roller coaster are you riding today? The golden Roblox coaster is definitely the coolest ride here. Pick a cozy mug for your morning drink. Which luxurious bathtub are you soaking in? The rainbow donut bathtub looks absolutely gorgeous! That was the final choice, and your dream world is officially complete. Did you build the perfect luxury world? Or did too many unlucky choices ruin your collection? Tell us your best prize and funniest failure in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to Titan Quiz, and tap the next video on the screen to keep playing. Bye!